Just went in for. Hold back up. Just went in production today. It's supposed to be available mid-February 2020.
I didn't realize you were going to talk. I thought you were
I even told you I was going. There you go. Shoot that.
So it does require our magazine to have the last round bolt lock, but it will accept others. It will activate the feature. All right, give it a whirl.
I'll let him shoot it.
Gary. Gary probably wants to shoot it. Chris, but Gary hasn't shot yet.
I want to shoot the actual Vector.
We'll get there. We'll get there.
Oh, I know. I appreciate your time. The 22 Vector is going to be a big seller for you.
Yeah, that's what we're hoping for.
Yeah, sure.
Yep. Safety. There you go.
Wow. That is too cool.
So you notice the last round bolt lock actually activated.
Yeah.
Go ahead and hit the release. At that point, you can load another mag and slap it like you would an actual AR.
I like that. Oh, let's get that out.
That is amazing. That is so quiet. Here's your camera.
There's nothing to it. Click, click, click.
You got to shoot the KRISS?
Huh? All right. So let's go on to the big boys, right?
Gary, did you want to shoot the 22 KRISS?
Did you want to shoot?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good.
Good? You good?
Yeah. Thanks, Snob.
Sub gun straight into it, or you want to pop out?
Okay. And they were nice enough to let us shoot the full auto subgun.
Nope, that's bigger.
And they're nice enough to let us shoot this full auto subgun. There we go.
Wow.
KRISS Vector. I like it. Thank you very much. Still, I didn't like that.
That's awesome.
Wow.
I did not point it at the. These things are heavier now.
Taiwan and China.
There you go. That is a fantastic rate of fire.
Yeah.
Like scream.
All right, Gary.
Okay, so I'm just basically, let's see. That's,
Hold up here.
all right.
Vertical grip. Do 1 or 2 shots on semi, and then drop it to burst.
Okay.
1 squeeze, and then dump.
Okay.
So you take the safety off. There you go.
Make sure you hold it back for the 2-round burst.
Lost it. There it is.
That's fine.
There we go. Oh, man. Woo! That's got some power.